to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can add withdrawal address on Binance app. So in order to add withdrawal address on Binance app, you have to simply follow the steps. First of all, you go ahead and log in into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you have to do is, so this is basically how the home page is going to look like. Right on this page, go ahead and access your profile settings by tapping on the profile icon from the top right. And right on this page or on the account center page, you should be able to see the NAP withdrawal address settings. If you're unable to find it, so then you could also go to the main settings button right over here. And on this page, you should be able to see the withdrawal address on Binance. When you actually do that, enable the wish list and add a new withdrawal address. While you're on your profile page, tap the gear icon from the top left hand side bar. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this field where you have to go to the withdrawal address section. Over here, you can see that there is no such withdrawal address that I haven't added till now. But if you want to add it, so press the add button in the top right, go ahead and add the coin, add the address, select network type, add origin, and then wallet label as well. Once you've done that, click the save button, and with that, you have successfully added withdrawal address on Binance app. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.